opportunity to come and sing with our live band Opus. So first up to the stage is George. Give George a massive round of applause.
Toronto.
Toronto! Make some noise. Fantastic. Now, George, before we get started, just tell us what was the highlight of your day today? What was the most exciting part of your day? Don't say dinner.
Sleep.
Sleep. Wow. In Juno.
Actually, I practiced today for tonight.
Oh, okay. So he's been rehearsing. And when is your first album coming out, George?
Last year should be last year.
It should be last year.
You don't have the budget.
You don't have the budget. So donations are welcome, and then George can get his album on the way. And what are you going to sing for us tonight?
My Way.
Bit of My Way. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for George and Opus singing My Way.
So I fade the final curtain. I'll say it clear, I'll state my case, which I'm certain. I live a life that's full, I travel with and every highway and much more than this, I did it highway. Regrets, I had a few, but then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do and saw it through without exemption. I planned each charted course, each careful step along the highway. More than this, I did it my way. Yes, there were times I'm sure you knew when I've been on more than I could chew. But through it all, when there was doubt, I laid it up and spit it out. I faced it all and I stood tall and did it my way. I love and cried, I had my few, my share of losing, and now as tears subside, I find it all so amusing to think I did all that, and may I say, not in a shy way. Oh no, not me. I did it my way. Oh, what is a man? What has he done? If not himself, then he has none.
applause. Go on, take a bow, George. Don't be shy. All the way from Toronto. And also, how about a big round of applause for our live band, the amazing Opus, aren't they? Amazing. Now, while you were singing, George, we had 0 singers that